Hello everyone, this is Anuj from GadgetGig. Today we have with us the noise cancellation earphones from Soundcore and they are the Live.2NC. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how they perform. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we have the model name Live.2NC and they are the true wireless earphones with noise cancellation. And then here we have the picture of the earbuds. At the bottom we can see that you get the hybrid ANC, 35 hours of playback time, and it comes with 4 mics for calling. At this side of the box, we can see some more info on hybrid ANC. At the back of the box we have some key features. So first we get the noise cancellation with multiple modes, 11mm driver, 4 mics for calling, 7 hours of playback time, they are IPX5 water resistant and support fast charging. There is also an app Soundcore which is available on both Android and iOS platform. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here we have the documentation which has a feedback card, and then we have the user guide, and this guide has the detailed info about the pairing and features of these earphones. And then here we have the charging case and we have the earbuds inside the case. The charging case looks well built and has this matte texture on it. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So guys, with these earphones you get extra small, large and extra large ear tips along with the ear hooks, which is really good. And then here we have the Type-C charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Soundcore Live.2NC is a noise cancelling true wireless earphone. Talking about the design and build quality, looking at the charging case, we have a slightly bigger charging case, and that is mainly due to the large battery capacity of this case, which is at 750 mAh. In terms of the build quality, I find the quality very good, even though the size is slightly bigger, but I didn't face any issue keeping the case in my pocket. And also guys, I find this shiny line going from the front towards the back of the case very good. In terms of the overview, in the front of the case we have the Soundcore logo, and here at the back we have the Type-C charging port covered under this lid. And here at the bottom we have the reset button. You have 3 charging LED indicators in the front to let you know about the remaining battery of the case. Now let's look at the earbuds. So here we have the earbuds. You get the in-ear style earbuds with ear hooks. The size of the earbuds feels a bit big, but I find them lightweight and comfortable to use. The weight of each earbud with the ear hook is approximately 6 grams. And guys, for the first time, I recommend using different types of ear tips and ear hooks to find the right combination for you. In terms of the specification, we have the touch sensitive panel in each earbud, which has a Soundcore logo. And here we have the charging pins. You get the 11mm driver in these earbuds and comes with the Bluetooth 5.0. Now let's pair them with our phone. So as mentioned earlier, there is an app by which you can connect them and configure these earphones. So our earphones are paired, and now in the app we can see different features. So in the app you can do the firmware update, and here we have the noise cancellation feature. So here we can see the different modes for noise cancellation, and in this you can select transport, indoor and outdoor, and the earphones cancels the background noise according to your choice. Similarly, we have the transparency mode. There is also an EQ menu which lets you set the EQ as per your choice. And then finally, we have the touch control configuration. So let me quickly show you the touch controls. So in these earphones, you have only 2 options, double tap and long press. So by default, double tap on the right earbud, pause and play music, and double tap on the left earbud takes you to the next soundtrack. Long press on either of the earbud toggles between different noise cancelling modes. Even though you can change the touch controls, they are very limited and there is no option of single or triple tap configuration, which is little disappointing. Now let's talk about the main thing, which is the performance. So guys, I have switched to the large size ear tips and ear hooks, and with that I got perfect fit. Now in terms of the performance, the first thing you will notice is the heavy bass. The bass in these earbuds is very good and I really like the boomy bass in them. The instrument separation is also very good and the vocals are also very clear. They are also very loud and I had to reduce the volume to 80%. Talking about the performance more, with this slight EQ tuning, I'm really impressed with the sound quality of these earphones. Now in terms of the noise cancellation, I'm quite happy with the noise cancellation, keeping in mind the pricing of these earphones. And believe it or not, I find the noise cancellation very similar to my Apple AirPods Pro. Now talking about the mic performance, it's very good and I can definitely recommend them for voice and video calls. And lastly about the battery, I was able to get approximately 6 hours of battery backup in one single charge. and with the case, you can charge them again 4 to 5 times more. So overall, the Soundcore Live.2NC offers high quality sound and they are very comfortable to use. With the ear hooks, you get proper snug fit. The build quality and design is very good. And about the sound, if you're a bass lover, you will find these earphones pretty good. And also, the mobile app is definitely an advantage. The noise cancellation feature works fine, and to be honest, better than some other earphones in this price segment. There are a couple of things which I didn't like in these earphones. First is the lack of touch control option. Though the touch sensitive panel is responsive, but the controls are limited. And secondly, I wish the charging case had the wireless charging option. Nonetheless, if you're looking for a good quality earphones with decent noise cancellation, then we highly recommend you to check out the Soundcore Live.2NC earphones. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Soundcore Live.2NC earphones. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.